When I was young, my parents put me through sailing camp. Ever since then, I knew I always wanted to travel by wind. When we first started thinking about sailing the world, it was quite overwhelming. There's so much more to it than just buying a sailboat and setting off into open ocean. What kind of boat do we need? How far can we go? What happens when storms roll through? Can we make enough power with solar to be off-grid for months on end? We did a lot of research in solar and power management systems for long ocean crossings, and one of the brands that always seemed to come up in conversations was Xantrex. We've been sailing for about 3 years now, and the Xantrex Freedom lineup of products really gave us that confidence to go further and to explore some of the most incredible remote locations. We've been really fortunate to have found a company like Xantrex that really prides itself on innovation and reliability that enables this freedom we've been able to enjoy over the past few years.